Hi guys, I'm in here somewhere. I had my dinner. It's laksa. Actually guys, masarap siya. Parang different sa mga laksang nakakain ko. Kasi nga, usually yung laksang nakakain ko is egg noodle. This one is vermicelli. Tapos, itong laksa na ito guys, meron siyang chicken, may egg, may shrimp, may fishball. Tapos, yung traditional laksa sauce. Tapos, naka-shred yung chicken niya. Ayan, guys. Naka-shred yung chicken. Tapos, yung shrimp, syempre, ito yung egg. Half ng egg. Actually, parang feeling ko nga buo yun eh. Hinaf lang nila. Tapos, merong wakame, of course. Feeling ko lang wakame yan. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong klaseng gulay yan. Pero yum siya. Tapos, it comes with a sambal. Pero hindi ko siya ginamit. And then, pwede nyo siyang i-order ng spicy pero I had it mild kasi nga hindi ko kaya yung anghang. Ayan guys, naka-peel na yung shrimp niya, kalahati. Tapos meron din siyang spring onion, ayan, you can see the spring onion. Tapos meron din mga spices. Usually kasi yung kinakain kong laksa is yung ah tawag dito, lemon, egg noodle. But this one, it's vermicelli. Hindi ko alam kung vermicelli ba or pancit. Pero I think it's vermicelli kasi it's glossy siya. Pero it's super yum. Super yum. Hindi ko lang naubos yung egg kasi parang unusual lang sa akin na nasa laksa. Tapos magkasama yung chicken at saka yung shrimp. Pero yum naman. Usually kasi doon sa kabila, we ordered laksa with glass noodles and then meron siyang fish ball, squid ball with gulay and shrimp na walang chicken. This one, may chicken siya pero super yum. Thumbs up. Thumbs up guys. Dito to saan? Hindi ko nasasabihin kung saan. Basta I eat this. Tapos ito yung kasama niyang sambal guys eh. And yung iced tea nila na may lemongrass. Super yum. Refreshing siya. Yan guys, that's what I had for dinner. It's already 12 o'clock dinner ko. Actually kasama na rin yung lunch. Kumain lang ako ng bread kanina for lunch. Kasi I've been busy. Ang dami kong ginagawa tomorrow. Tutuloy na naman another day. Yun guys. See you.